Hey there, Lincoln here from BoWAcademy.org. Tonight let's talk about FMCI Tattoo Chef's extension vote and what that means for you as an investor. This will be a very quick video, but we'll just cover exactly what happened today and what we can look forward to in the next few weeks. So as I promised, here's the results from the votes today. The FMCI foreign merger team got the extension vote that they wanted, and the deadline to complete the merger has been moved from September 30th, which was today, to October 30th. So talk about last minute planning. Today was the last day, and now we have October 30th as the last day for this merger to be complete. As we covered in a previous video, the team has already announced that the merger vote date will be October 15th, 2020. So in about 2 weeks from now, we'll be voting on whether or not to complete the merger between Foreign Merger Corporation 2 and Ittella International to become Tattoo Chef Inc. on the public market. In the comments, people have been asking me over and over again what's going to happen on the merger date. What's going to happen is we're going to vote on whether or not to complete the merger, and if that goes through as we expect it to, then the team will register the company and become publicly traded on the stock market the following day or a few days after that. And when that happens, the stock ticker symbol will automatically change from FMCI for Foreign Merger 2 to TTCF for Tattoo Chef Inc. And the warrants will also change accordingly from FMCIW to TTCFW. So that's going to happen automatically. You don't have to do anything. I know you've all been worried about how that's going to happen, but we've seen it over and over again with Nikola, with DraftKings, and then today with Graph Velodyne when Graph's stock ticker symbol changed from Graph to VLDR for Velodyne Lighter Inc. So it's going to happen automatically. There's no need to stress about it. It's going to be super simple. You don't have to take any action. Another thing you can expect to happen, especially if you're on Robinhood, is that the first few hours after the stock ticker symbol changes, your Robinhood account or your brokerage account might show that the stock has gone all the way down to zero. But that is not the case. It's just a technical error. When you see that and you see your portfolio drop by thousands of dollars or however many you have in FMCI, just know that it's a technical glitch. You have not lost all your money from FMCI. It's just that the brokerage is doing their work to transfer your position over to the new TTCF stock ticker symbol. So don't freak out if you see your account drop drastically. That happened to me this morning. I woke up and I saw my portfolio was down like $13,000. And I remember that back in the day when the Vector IQ merger completed and switched over to Nikola, that everyone was freaking out about how they lost their money in Nikola, but that was not the case. It was just that the stock ticker symbol was being changed by the brokerage account and it just wasn't representing in their account. So just keep that in mind when you see that happen. It's not that you lost all your money. It's going to come back. Just be patient. And the final thing to keep in mind is that after the merger completes, we might not see the stock go up as we expect immediately. We might actually see it go down. After the Graph merger and the stock ticker symbol changed to VLDR and the merged company started trading on the stock market today, we actually saw the stock go down by 25%. I'm not too concerned about this because again, I'm a long-term investor, so short-term volatility doesn't really bother me too much, but it's worth talking about. So the stock price went down 25% today. That's fine. The same thing happened with Vector IQ and Nikola once their merger completed and the stock ticker symbol changed and Nikola started trading in the stock market. So on the first day of trading for Nikola, the stock went down. And then the following week after the weekend, what happened was that the stock actually went up. It had its pop as we all expected. Nikola started trading around $30 per share. And then after the first weekend of trading, the stock opened up at $42 and closed around $74. So be patient. If you see the stock go down the first day of trading as TTCF, that's not reason to freak out. Just be patient. Just as with Nikola, I expect the pop for TTCF to eventually come maybe a few days or a week after the merger is complete. So I'm not too concerned about the dip in Velodyne today, and I'm not going to be concerned if it happens with TTCF as well after Tattoo Chef becomes a public company. Remember that the best investment strategy is long-term investing. That's why we practice the bull mentality on this channel. The bull mentality is that we know what we invest in. We understand what we invest in. We believe in what we invest in, and we hold for the long term because that's how we build wealth in this country. That's how we give ourselves the best chance at success on the stock market. And that's how we avoid losing our money to short-term volatility and freaking out and selling all of our positions because the market went down a little bit. Be patient, invest for the long term, and don't be bothered by everyone else's fear. When they're fearful, we are greedy, and when they're greedy, we're fearful. We don't think like the majority. The majority is always wrong. okay? They are always wrong. That's why most people lose their money in the stock market or lose their money investing in anything, because they're so fearful the moment anything goes down a little bit. Do not follow the crowd. The crowd will always lead you to failure. Be patient, invest your money in businesses that you understand and believe in, and hold for the long term. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and comment below what your thoughts are on FMCI, on Tattoo Chef, on the Grab Velodyne merger and the dip that took place today. And if you would like to help the channel grow and reach more investors, and have priority access to week-wise videos, and have your questions answered by me and the rest of the community members, then join our Patreon community at patreon.boacademy.org for just $12 per month, and you will have a chance at winning $200 every month for being a loyal and engaged patron. And of course, patrons will get merch such as stickers and mugs, and maybe t-shirts in the future. So if you're interested, go to patreon.boacademy.org. I'm Lincoln with boacademy.org. Thank you again, and have a great day.